Little Pops. I made a little swirly on this one little polka dot on that one, and a smiley face on this one for me. So let's get opening. I'm going to start with one pony pop. Here it is. You can look at it. First, I'm going to peel off the thigh. Then I'm going to take off the stick. It feels like something round. It's a pony pop. Pony pop. It's pink. I already have this one. Her name is Sweetie Belle. Here's Sweetie Belle. I'm going to put this on. This is how it looks. Magnets, see? If it's upside down, it doesn't come off. Open the smiley face. It's another Sweetie Belle. I'm going to have tons of Sweetie Bells and Pinkie Pie. 2 Sweetie Pies. Well, come back here. Good thing it sticks. Before I open this one, I'm going to tell you something about the My Little Pony Squishy Pops. They're a bead for your charm bracelet, or there's one of these little ponies. I hope I get a different one than Sweetie Belle. Let's open it. Another My Little Pony Pop. My Little Pony Pop. I feel another one. It's orange. It's orange. I know it's a pony. The whole surprise. I already have this one, but I at least got a different one. Here it is. And here's it's out the same. There's our stuff. Now it's time to open up Frostette the Cupcake Zelf. It is cupcake scented, and this is my first Zelf! Yay! Before we open her up, we're going to show you the back. This is the back, and this is all her friends, and this is the one we have. Now, you'll see. Yay! Now let's open her up. This is the Zelf we got. She is so soft. And she's cupcake scented. I think you like squash it. She is cupcake scented. This is my Zelf. I love her hair. It's like a mixture. It's like a mixture. See, it's so soft and it's a mixture. There's other set you can get. I got this at Toys R Us. This is a color of different pinks. See? Light pink and dark pink. She's cupcake scented. She's cupcake scented. This is my Zelf. This is Cupcake Umbrella. And this is my Zelf. Now we're going to look at the collector guide. But first I'll show you. Her head moves. Her head moves. Even her legs. She can like walk. She can wave. Both her arms move. Both her arms move. And here's her back. She has a Z for Zelf. She has a Z for Zelf. You see it? That is her bump. Now let's look at the collector guide. Let's see which one we got. These are all the friends we don't have yet. This is the one we got. Check. There, that's the collector guide. And that was our Zelf. And Pony Pops. Even the duplicates. This is our little Zelf again. If you want to see more videos of Zelfs, click the like button. Subscribe and comment below. Bye! Thank you for watching the Toy Collector Payton channel. Bye!